Good early morning guys, and welcome to the video. Yesterday I've been asking you, should I film my recipes or not? And you said that I should. So today I'm filming my first recipe. This is my first meal of the day, my breakfast. And I'm so sorry for the lighting. It's still dark outside because it's like 7 a.m. So that's usually how I wake up. This is about my morning rituals. As you can see, I just wake up. Now I'm going to do some sporty stuff, and then I'm gonna film the breakfast. And this is not gonna be really strong recipe, so it's just like mostly what I'm eating for my breakfast, and it's gonna be yogurt, muesli and fruits. One of my favorite breakfast ever, so stay tuned. I'm gonna show you everything.
First of all, I'm preparing my glass of water to heat it up in the microwave, because that is how I'm starting my day. Also, I'm starting my morning with the planking and some yoga. Nothing really special, but just really simple and basic things. Let's make me feel alive in the morning. And every morning I'm practicing vacuum, which is really good for your stomach and for belly as well. Okay, now we have the hot water and it's time for vitamins. I'm usually taking the complex of vitamins, which is really good. I do usually start my mornings from 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, which is really good for your stomach. So the first part of my breakfast, this is a low-calorie yogurt. As you can see, it's only 40 calories for 100 grams. This is my first time trying this bio muesli. They are pretty low in calories, so I decided to try. And this is the apricot jam, which is no sugar. Some dried apricots. And this is one of my favorites, trail mix. This is cashew and cranberries. And never forget your fruits. Today I'm having apple as usual. So this is what we got in the end. Pretty basic but still satisfying. As you can see, I did put some chia seeds, so it's more powerful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned.